morning. I'm officially a backpacker because I survived the night in the woods in a thunderstorm. I just peed in the woods, not in like one of those like little special pit toilet things. Actually, like in the woods.
Do you see how close to the edge we need to hike? Oh my gosh. So I think that's Canada. The real land of the free.
Okay, it might be raining and stuff like that all day today, but I do not even care. It is so beautiful, and I'm just so grateful to be here. I'm about to get water the way the cool kids do. Okay, so I am having a great time today. It started off thunderstorming and raining, and I didn't really mind it too much actually. Like, I just love being outside in all types of weather, and when it's like rainy or like weather that other people wouldn't be a fan of, it just makes me like extra excited that I'm outside during it, because in my real life, especially during the winter, I want to encourage myself to like be outside no matter what the weather. Like, there's no bad weather, only bad clothing, all that. I want to embrace this in my life. So today was not bad. However, this is the most I've ever walked in my entire life. Pretty sure. I have over 20,000 steps, and we are not at camp yet for tonight. And I'll show you where we're gonna get water. It's not really moving as fast as the other one, but that is what we're going to drink. This is totally going to be my reading chair tonight. There's another one over there too. Perfect. Hey guys, it's day 2. I smell horrible, and I want to be PC, so I'm not going to tell you what I smell like, but I don't smell good. But I have to show you my bathroom. Like, this is the best bathroom of my life. First of all, I have my little poo bag, because any waste has to be, you know, carried back home with me. So this way you can't see what's in there. Don't use your imagination, it's really gross. And then that's my pee cloth, which I wipe my, you know, areas with. Okay, but here, is why it's so cool. This is my walk to the toilet. Like, you guys think you're all cool because you have toilets in your house, but unless you have paintings of wildflowers on the way to the bathroom, I mean, I'm sorry, your toilet just is not as cool as mine. Like, how beautiful. Are there freaking bird songs in your bathroom? I think not. But there's even some yellow flowers. You know, just like some things buzzing around my head. We can pretend they're mosquitoes, but actually, you know what? They probably are mosquitoes. Let's pretend they're bumblebees. Then Doris will be a fan. Oh, look at these ones. And then, look at that. My toilet. We have arrived. This is the prettiest toilet I have ever seen in my life. And look at, I'll spin around so you can see. This is your view. My freaking pee view. Now Lindsay says she'll only poo in here. But I mean, I think that we shouldn't let this go to waste. It's a little high up, like I can hardly even reach it. This is the most delightful pee of my whole life. Yeah, there's butterflies and flowers. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I kind of feel sorry for you guys. Don't get to pee and poo in a situation like this. Have this beautiful winding path of flowers. Oh, that's freaking poison ivy. And I have bare shoes. This is probably a bad idea. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I got this wilderness wash, and if I wash my feet with this yellow water that looks extra yellow in real life, I feel like maybe that would help if I did have exposure to poison ivy. But if I didn't, maybe my feet will just be clean. If there's any other poison ivy, it would probably be on my clothes, and I'll just try not to touch myself. Hey people, so it's our last night here. It is Thursday night. It's about to storm in about an hour or so. It's starting to get breezy and all that sort of stuff. So, confessional, because we only have one day left, and no more overnights. Like, basically we're walking to the car tomorrow, which might be 9 miles, but you know, at least we will end up at the car. So would I do this again? Yes. However, I think I would probably do like a there and back sort of thing, where it's just like a long day of hiking, one night in the woods, a long day of hiking back. I think that would be my jam. Or maybe more tent camping, like in general, just like a solo reading vacation sort of a thing. But yeah, I'm ready for a shower. But overall, I love this, and I'm super grateful that I was able to go and learn all the things, and yeah, I'm glad I did it.